Hello everyone, we are solving the question which is from AI Preempt 2015. The question is saying us the electric field in a certain region is acting radially outward and it is given by ER. E is equal to AR. A charge contained in a sphere of radius A centered at the origin of the field will be given by. So this question is asking about charged enclosed. Okay, so we will solve this question from the using of Gauss law. Okay, so the solution would be according to the Gauss law says that flux is in closed loop integral of electric field. Okay, so this is our electric field and ds is area element. Okay, now according to the question is saying to us a charge q is placed at the origin. So this is our origin which is acquiring the charge q, and a sphere of radius small a is assumed. Then we have to calculate the charged enclosed. Okay, and if this is flux, so we can write it like q enclosed upon epsilon naught. So this q enclosed is asked in this question. So we are trying to solve this question with this formula. So electric field is given by a r. Okay, and this ds integral closed loop would give us surface area of this spherical sphere. Okay, and this will be q enclosed by epsilon naught. Now this surface integral of the sphere is is 4 pi r square. We already know that the surface area of sphere, so we don't need to integrate like that. We can directly say that a r, and then after this surface integral will be 4 pi r square. Okay, by epsilon naught. Okay, so this is the equality we can write. Now the question is also mentioning that this r is taken by small a which is sphere centered at origin. So this r would be small a. Now a 4 pi r power 3 is equal to q enclosed by epsilon naught. Now the q enclosed at the origin would be 4 pi epsilon naught a r power 3. This is equals to 4 pi epsilon naught a, r will be small a, so that small a power 3. So this is our option B. So our B option is correct. Thank you.